Hi there! In today's video, I'll show you how to charge your JBL Tune 520BT and also how to check their actual battery percentage. Let's get started. So, as a first step, let me show you how to charge them. For that, we would need to take charging cable, which is USB Type-A on one side and USB Type-C on the other side. The USB Type-C we would need to plug into our headphones, and this side we would need to plug into any power adapter, power bank, or working PC or laptop. So let me plug it in. Now, to find the charging port on your headphones, we would need to find which of the headphones is the right one. As you can see, we got here the letter R, and this is the right one. So toggle it a little bit down until you'll find this charging port and then plug this cable into it. And now the charging process has begun. So let's take a look on this indicator near the power button. If it's red, it means that your headphones needs more time to be fully charged, and when it will turn off, that means that they are fully charged. So now let's talk about how long the charging process will take. If you're charging them from power adapter or power bank, it will take about 2 hours. But if you are using PC or laptop, it can take a little bit more. So now let's talk about how long they can last on one single charge. So if you have 100% on your headphones, they can give you up to 57 hours of playback. And also, extra tip, if you are in a hurry and you really need to go, give these headphones only 5 minutes and they will give you extra playback time of 3 hours. And now, the last thing for today, how to check the actual battery percentage. So for that, we would need to disconnect the charger and then enable the headphones by holding this power button. Now, we would need to connect them to our phone via Bluetooth and then open the JBL Headphones app. Here you'll be able to see this little battery percentage under the preview of your headphones. And this is it for today. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you so much for watching.